Welcome back again. It's your girl Atafa the Press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right. That's all right, dear my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it. I'm back again. I'm back again with another video, my people. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you're all doing good and I hope you're all doing great. But my people, a bag of things going today, so may I get right into it. So, wanna hear this? Quick response by the police on Thursday morning foiled what they believe was a plot to murder a Petrojam employee at the state-owned oil refinery plant on Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew. Jamaica Observer sources said that the suspected target is a manager at the company. They also allege that early investigation have so far revealed that the gunmen were contracted by another employee. My people, wanna hear what me just say? Let me rewind and come again. Hear this again. Quick response by the police on Thursday morning foiled what they believe was a plot to murder a Petrojam employee at the state-owned oil refinery plant on Marcus Garvey Drive in St. Andrew. The Jamaica Observer sources said that the suspect target is a manager. When I hear that, my people, is a manager at the company. They also allege that early investigations have so far revealed that the gunmen were contracted by another employee. My people, when I hear all them things they said, another employee, one done, another employee, and I get gunman for the, hey. When this are gonna stop? When all these things are gonna stop? Come on. Killing is not the way, guys. You understand? Killing is not the way. Me people, when me see this, I say me have to come squeeze this pan on, me have to make you know what go on. Because you know some of the time, me always come out and talk about, Andrew Holness, Horace Strong, and one bag of mix up over this in a House of Parliament. So so sometimes me squeeze in one and little two things for So when me see it, me I say blows and skirt. A contract murder this, Contract murder this, my people. Blows and skirt. But they ain't get catch me people. Wanna see? Yeah, man, the cop seized the 2 loaded guns and arrest the 3 men in the car park, my people. And that me I get to understand. Say in the car park, they hold them. Boy, Jaja. My people, wanna tell me what you think about this. Put it in the comment section, yeah, man, because this no good at all. Look what happened. Wanna see the world a change. We fi start to think spiritually. That is what we're supposed to start doing. Meds more about life. Gun on them something don't need for put it down. Put it down, man. Violence is not the way, my people. Violence is not the way. But I want to hear phone views on this. Tell me what you think. Put an honest opinion in the comment section. Anyway, you need to hear this. Education Minister Favour Williams has requested additional information on the collapse at school and subsequent death of a grade 3 student at Wakefield Primary and Infant School in Trelawney on Tuesday. 8-year-old Alexia Drummond was reportedly seen unresponsive on the floor by our classroom teacher after the lunch break and was taken to a nearby health facility and then to hospital by school personnel. My people, what really happened? I don't know. What happened? What really go down? Wow. This is really, really sad. Really, really sad. So basically, my people, from my understanding, I get to find out say she collapse. You understand? And drop down. I don't know how true it is. That me see her go around, that me see in the paper, my people, so I just come and share, I couldn't know what go on. You understand? She's a grade 3 student, as them say. This is like a sudden death, my people. So, say education minister step step in and she request some additional information, which is the right thing to do. And they need to question the kids them also. They need to question the children them. But rest in peace to this little girl, and my condolence goes out to the family. My people, wanna tell me what you think. Put on opinion in the comment section. Just share your thoughts with me. Hear this. My viewers and subscribers, pure accident a go on. When I say pure accident a go on about the place, my people. A 66-year-old man, my people, died in a collision. Three-way, So a 3 vehicle crash, in a center at my people. And him name Roy Brown. And he's a farmer of Greyfield, Money, in the parish of Sentence, my people. So, boy, this is, me don't know what good on, my people. But if me get more information, me go update, But all me want to tell the people, my brothers and my sisters, we are drive, take it easy upon the road. Just calm it down. You understand? Not have to drive and go on with yourself. Just calm it down. That's what I mean. So I just want to say rest in peace to this elderly man, and my condolence goes out to the family. Anyway, my people, need to hear this. Robert Nesta Morgan. Guys, know say him always come out. Cause remember say it's alleged that he's a send out boy. Remember, me say so, and the people them say so. And me pick it up. That's what they said. So, that's why I use the word allege. So, the minister with responsibility for information, Robert Morgan, says the country holds JLP administration to a higher standard than governments led by the PNP. Mr. Morgan made the point as he addressed an editors forum put on by the JLP at their Belmont Road headquarters in New Kingston on Thursday. Mr. People, anytime they want to chat their foolishness, they ever go over Belmont. Over there, so they go, all the while go chat them rubbish. Him go over there, Horace Chang, Lord Jesus, me not even want to touch upon him right now. But you can imagine what Mr. Morgan is saying about how the people in the country hold JLP as higher standard than where? Which part? If Jamaica really look up to Andrew Holness as higher standard, them sick in them blouse and skirt brain. I mean, I talk with water in my mouth. Me I telling us straight. Then sick in them blouse and skirt head. If they really, hey, me can't believe this. It come be like them a drink mad puss piss or something. I want to this man here. I want to Nesta Morgan. Nesta Morgan, when me can go sit down. When me can go hold a seat. Brother, anytime they want to them foolishness, check it. Anytime when see me come on here and read them foolishness, I always over Belmont them go. Something about Belmont headquarters. Over there, so they go gossip and chat them rubbish and them foolishness about the Jamaica hold JLP, a more higher standard. Higher standard? Wait. Who under investigation? My viewers and subscribers, talk to me now, no? Talk to me. Talk to me nice, clean self. Yes, come on, no. Who is under investigation, because the last time me check, a 6 uno from out of the JLP under investigation. So what kind of high standard is that? What kind of high standard is that? Is that why you guys hiding the 6? Let me ask you now a question now. Is that why you guys hiding the 6? Because uno claim say, you know what they love? Me say they love claim things, you see? They love claim things, my people. You hear them? About Jamaica. Which part you get that? Nesta Morgan, which part you go get that? And say Jamaica Labour Party have higher standard than PNP. No, darling. No, I don't think so. Not with the 6 teeth. We no need to wheel and come again. A pure rubbish then keep up, My people, no talk to me. Come on here for no views pan this, Because the one Mr. Morgan, you see how him bright and out of order? Bright and out of order. Always come out to talk some foolishness. Ever go up a Belmont, go chat them rubbish. You can't imagine? Jamaica Labour Party have a higher standard. Jamaica, really? Look up to Jamaica Labour Party. He is basically saying Jamaicans look up to Jamaica Labour Party than PNP. Really, with 6 person that is under investigation? Really and truly, with a prime minister that cannot declare his asset? Really and truly, with a prime minister who mash down the whole heap of people them house? Really and truly? A prime minister will take with the people them land? Really and truly? Me can name out all heap, you know? Or not start with me, you know? Don't start with me. You understand? Me tell you, some people coming at the comment section, you know, my lovely viewers and subscribers, you know, enough of them coming at the comment section, you know, attacks and my bias. How comes me for bias when me attack truth and right? Me no bias. Me just attack truth. Me just attack truth. Right now, I'm talking about Andrew Holness because Andrew Holness is the prime minister. He's the one in charge. He's the one is leading. So I have to talk about what he might do because what he's doing, it matter to us Jamaican people. You understand? Everything we might do, it matter to we. Maybe someone who don't care, but me, somebody like me, have to care because me love my brothers and sisters them. You understand me? So this is why I come out and I talk truth, rights, and facts. I'm a big up all of the blogger them. We attack truth, rights, and facts. That are my motto over here, so. Me big up all of the real blogger them, you know. Like up the video, share up my video, and subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big warm welcome to all of my new subscribers them and all of my new viewers them. Wanna remember, you know, turn on the post notification bell on so you can be notified when the video them drop. Anyway, my people, I want to give a shout out to my good up, nice, clean moderator. She named Chrissy Hutchinson. She always in the live chat, my people are going with herself. Anyway, big up on a nice, clean self. I'm out.